where should you put the that? Okay, I thought you were asking something else, which I wanted to address. Because sometimes those seemed a little awkward when the that was coming in. Like, do you pause before that? Or do you pause after? Or do you leave it? Jesus says that, and then you say it. I have something even, what I think might be more engaging. Why do you need to say that? Why don't you say, Jesus says, and then quote it? That pulls you away from it. It's almost like third person talking. Whereas if I say, Jesus says, and then you start talking, you're acting out. Now, we know you're not Jesus, but you're playing that role in the quote. So I think the quote may be more powerful if you don't say that. Does that make sense? That is like I'm telling you what he said then, but if I say Jesus says, now I'm telling you what he said. I'm using that voice. And that was going to be one of my comments, that when you're quoting people, live the quote.